Hook, have you ever wondered if Wealthsimple is just a fancy name for a crypto wallet? Let's dive in and find out. Background on Wealthsimple. What is Wealthsimple? Wealthsimple started as a robo-advisor, offering automated investment services at low costs. It's gained popularity for its simplicity and accessibility. Wealthsimple's expansion. Over the years, Wealthsimple has expanded its offerings, venturing into various financial products and services. Crypto and Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple Crypto. One of these expansions includes Wealthsimple Crypto, a platform that allows users to buy, sell, and hold various cryptocurrencies. Key features. Wealthsimple Crypto boasts features like fractional ownership of cryptocurrencies, making it accessible to those with smaller budgets. It also offers secure storage and easy-to-use interfaces. Is Wealthsimple a crypto wallet? Defining a crypto wallet is essentially a digital device or software that stores and manages private keys, which are required to access and control cryptocurrencies. Wealthsimple's role. While Wealthsimple Crypto provides a platform for buying, selling, and holding cryptocurrencies, it doesn't function as a traditional crypto wallet. Behind the scenes, Wealthsimple Crypto actually uses custodial wallets, meaning it holds your private keys on its behalf. This provides convenience but also introduces a layer of trust. Comparing Wealthsimple Crypto to traditional wallets. Custodial versus non-custodial. Traditional crypto wallets, like hardware or software wallets, give you complete control over your private keys. This offers maximum security but requires more technical knowledge. Pros and cons of custodial wallets. Custodial wallets, like Wealthsimple Crypto, are easier to use but come with the risk of relying on a third party. If the platform were to experience a security breach or go out of business, your funds could be at risk. Security considerations. Wealthsimple's security measures. Wealthsimple takes security seriously and employs various measures to protect user funds. However, no system is completely foolproof. Best practices. Regardless of the platform you choose, it's essential to follow best practices for crypto security, such as using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious of phishing scams. Choosing the right platform. Personal needs and preferences. The best platform for you depends on your individual needs and risk tolerance. If you prioritize convenience and ease of use, Wealthsimple Crypto might be a good option. However, if you value complete control over your private keys, a traditional non-custodial wallet might be more suitable. Consideration factors. When choosing a crypto platform, consider factors like fees, supported cryptocurrencies, security features, and customer support. Conclusion. Recap. So, to answer the question, is Wealthsimple a crypto wallet? Technically, no. It's a platform that provides custodial services for buying, selling, and holding cryptocurrencies. While it offers convenience, it's essential to weigh the trade-offs against the security benefits of traditional non-custodial wallets. Final thought. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your specific needs and risk tolerance. Research, compare, and make an informed decision. End. Call to action. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with Wealthsimple Crypto or other crypto platforms, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto-related content. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.